Hey guys, welcome back. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Quick Connect periscope. Replaces the flex hose behind your dryer. Your dryer backs into it every time. All right, pretty nice house this time. Dryer vent, they said goes into the crawl and comes out. Getting a D80 code. As a lot of you know, D80 means you have an 80% blockage in the ductwork. So I'm going to walk around and find the dryer vent and take you along with me. Let's go. The birds are chirping and we've had so much rain. It sucks. Boom. I hate these. I hate these. Guess what? Let's check it out. What they do is you have this lid, okay? And then inside of there is something that is supposed to, a cap that's supposed to blow up when the dryer comes on and fall back down when the dryer's off. I hate these. I hate them. I hate them. I hate them. So one of two options. We can either clean that one off or we can replace it. Let's see. I'll be back. All right, so we're inside now. I'm taking the flex off. If you can see, it's going straight out. So that flex connects to the dryer, goes through the wall, straight out to that other damper. So let's see. All right, guys, we're back. So homeowner wants to keep this damper set up because she's worried about the stucco damage. There wouldn't be any stucco damage. However, this is normally the dryer vent the damper I'd put on. 4-inch metal. It's a little bit more difficult for animals to get in because they have to get up to this ledge here before they can then try to pry the door open. So if they're pried down, it's really difficult for them. So this is what I would use. 4-inch, bam, 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 and that's it. But we're not doing that. So I'm gonna clean this one out. There's that cap. I mean, let's be honest, guys. This little plastic cap, when it has that much buildup on top, it's not gonna open and close like it's supposed to. So down inside, you can see that little cap just floats right there, right? But when it's covered with that much lint, there's no way it can breathe. I'm trying to get this thing set back up right now. Come on. All right. So on these, it's literally just cleaning this buildup off. It's mainly so that cap can go up and down. You're never going to get it perfect because these things are old. These are antiquated. These are has-beens. These are, in my opinion, should have never been invented, honestly. But if you look, I don't want to move the camera again, but I'll try to zoom it in. It's not going to let me. There are holes at the bottom of each side, and that's where it's supposed to vent this stuff. But again, when the cap isn't opening, there's no way it can vent. So I mean, look at this. I mean, you guys basically get it. Then I'll put the cap back in the hole and look at how well it works now. Not a bad idea. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Remember, guys, check out my periscope, and I appreciate you watching. I'd love for more of you to subscribe so I can keep growing this channel, make my reach larger and larger and larger. Thank you guys. We'll see you on the next one. Now watch, guys. See how it's supposed to move up and down like that? I know most people won't see this because I already signed off, but that's what it's supposed to be doing.